That's like the best fucking, the best outdoor like meal I've had.
That looks so good. Look at that, guys. It's grilling nicely.
I just said that I changed my vote from 9 to 10.
Yay!
So, hands down, best meal, best campfire meal ever.
Yay! Teman-teman Binai, balik lagi bareng aku dan yang pastinya di Binai Channel. So untuk video kali ini itu adalah video masak-masak dan makan-makan. Agak sedikit beda teman-teman karena memang proses makan-makannya sendiri itu bakal di outdoor. Jadi nggak di rumah, nggak di tempat kita dan nggak di table kita gitu. Well nggak apa-apa kan ya, suasana baru juga. Nah dan vlognya kali ini tuh bareng teman kita berdua. Jadi ini itu nggak seperti teman-temanku yang biasa. Mungkin teman-teman baru pertama kali ngeliat doi, namanya Brian teman-teman, dan kita juga kenalnya karena kita both sama-sama dog owner. Jadi Ruffles itu teman baiknya Bea, dognya si Brian. Nah makanya gue excited banget nih teman-teman, karena kan emang Brian itu belum pernah dan nggak familiar sama Indonesia sama sekali, zero. Nah makanya aku tuh kayak gimana ya, kayak deg-degan itu, semoga dia mau makan masakannya. Oh by the way nih teman-teman ya, jangan lupa teman-teman untuk subscribe Instagram aku. Ini nih, kenapa? Karena aku mau sering bagi-bagi uang teman-teman. Jadi kayak bikin kuis gitu, kayak yang teman-teman lihat sebelumnya. Emang gak banyak sih, cuman kan gimana ya, ungkapan terima kasih Binai ke teman-teman yang selalu setia nonton. Nah jadi sistemnya itu simple banget teman-teman. Teman-teman cek Instagram aku, terus follow, dan aku bakal sering bikin kuis. Jadi sebenarnya pakai Instagram karena lebih gampang aja. Well, okay, that's it. Dan aku gak mau ngomong panjang lebar karena time to cook teman-teman. Selamat menonton.
Halo, Ibu Mase. Oke. Selamat datang kembali teman-temannya Mbak Mawar. Piye kabarnya? Semoga api-api ayo. Kali ini Mbak Mawar masak-masak lagi. Aduh senengnya, akhirnya bosku rajin. Nah, teman-teman kita lagi mau bikin sate. Jadi yang pertama-tama sehari sebelum bikin satenya, itu kita bikin lontong. Oke, bahan-bahan buat acaranya itu Mawar di sini ada timun, ada wortel, lemon, lime, bawang merah. Ini yang enggak ini loh ya, yang enggak apa sih ini, bawang merah salad. Ada cuka, ada garam sama gula. Sudah, jadi semua tuh bahan-bahannya tinggal dipotong-potong. Dikuliti dulu tapi tapi kalau misalnya kalian lebih sukanya kayak gitu nggak dikuliti ya nggak apa-apa. Tapi kalau aku sukanya dikuliti. Kayaknya gimana itu lebih manusiawi menurut Mawar. By the way teman-teman, Mawar ini hatinya sakit banget dengerin berita di Indonesia. Si ibu sampai bilang ya wes lah nggak usah ditonton. Ya piye toh ya, ini COVID kok nggak rampung-rampung. Jadi ya awakku nggak iso mulai, padahal aku kangen banget sama mbokku, sama bapakku. Mawar iki wis suwi nggak mulai kampung. Jadi kalau telepon sampai mbokku ya, mbokku tuh selalu bilang sama Mawar, "Dok, penak ora penak ya penak no wae. Wong jenenge golek duit." Loh, aku kok malah curhat toh. Maaf loh, so sorry. Ya, jadi masak lagi, balik lagi ke masak-masak ya. Tambah ke garam, water, baru masukkan gula, takaran sesuka hati, masukkan cuka. Alright, terus itu tambah ke jeruk puluh, ngono. Terus itu, wes campur, selesai. Lagi, konco-konco perhati baik-baik. Jadi supaya satenya itu nggak kering, jadi rasanya dagingnya nggak kering ngono yo. Pakainya itu bagian paha atasnya ayam, jadinya kan itu juicy ya. Bumbu ungkep teman-teman bisa lihat aku pakai merica, bawang putih sama kemiri sama garam. Diulek-ulek. Kalau udah halus toh, nah baru dimasukin ke baskom, campur ke apa itu jenenge, minyak goreng apa, aku sih pakai minyak olive ya. Terus campur ke garam, terus kecap, terus wes campur aduk-aduk, stirring. kalau udah tercampur dengan rata, baru tambah ke iki apa dagingnya. Nah, aku bikinnya ini sehari sebelum yo. Jadinya itu diungkep seharian, semalaman, you know. Nah, untuk saus kacangnya itu mawar golek kayak dikupat. Nah, jadi itu yang pastinya kacang tanahnya itu di roasted teman-teman. Bumbu halusnya seperti biasa, bawang merah, bawang putih kemiri, garam, di blender, terus ditumis ya, ditumis sampai wangi. Terus itu kalau sudah wangi toh, ya campur ke kacangnya. Jadi dicampur-campur, jadi ditumis dulu. Kalau udah agak arum tuh, baru tambah kayak banyu, setik. Jangan terlalu cair, jangan terlalu kental ya. Udah, kalau udah gitu tambah ke kecap manis, baru diaduk-aduk sampai mendidih. Jangan biarin gitu, jadi sering diaduk-aduk.
Mip.
On the ground.
Oh, like over
next
there,
to-
right? Yeah, the lady.
Next to the bridge, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the lady. Yeah.
Sometimes you sleep in a tent, like, oh my god.
Lasse ist es zu klein, ja? Und soll ich die große kaufen?
Yeah, genau. Die große Bowl.
Oh, cookware. Like,
Everyone is down. Look at the two. They are so tired. The lady especially. Oke guys, ini dagingnya udah ditusuk-tusuk. Jadi tinggal bagian bro aja yang masaknya. How you doing on there?
heating up the satay sauce.
Ya, that's the satay sauce.
Saus kacang.
Ini terus di sini. Acar. Yeah. There we go. Satay on. Over there the dog is playing.
Like this?
Yeah, that looks so good. Look at that, guys. It's grilling nicely. It's gonna be a lot of work for bro later to take out all this. Mau cuci tangan? Nah, ini airnya teman-teman. Papus, you wanna drink? Papus? Papus? Nah, ini teman-teman sungainya. Benar-benar dekat kemah kita banget. Makanya tidurnya nggak tahu deh bisa tidur apa nggak. Lumayan ini sih, lumayan ribut kan ya sama air sungainya. Ini airnya jernih banget dan bisa diminum karena datangnya langsung dari air terjun yang ada di sebelah sana. That looks good.
Man, that's a lot of food.
But we all hungry.
I feel like I'm starving, so yeah.
Bawang goreng sama ini tambah good.
Okay. That's all I'm here? Okay.
Right. No, Bea, no. No.
Look at them. No.
I want to put it on yours, Brian, but they're just like eyeing.
Smells delicious.
Oh yeah. I hope you like it. It's
It smells
Indonesian summer meal.
delicious. Like
No wonder they're all like standing here.
It's a sweet soy soy.
Mm.
Hai guys,
Hey.
halo. Hai teman-teman, apa kabarnya? Dan seperti yang kalian lihat, kita lagi piknik. And I'm gonna switch to English because then Brian can understand what I'm talking about. So welcome, let's welcome our friend, dearly friend.
Hi,
Okay.
I'm Brian. I'm the dog whisperer.
Brian is a dog whisperer. So Brian is the owner of Bea, Ruffles' best friend. So
Yeah.
we came up with the idea just to go for camping on the heat wave, and then we just stop.
With 3 dogs.
Exactly.
With 3 dogs.
So which is today, and it's ended up really nice. So now it's our dinner. This is the first time for Brian actually trying Indonesian meal.
Indonesian food, being on a YouTube channel.
So Brian, what I'm gonna explain, this is the meal that Indonesian really love it. Here we know it, and we know it at kabuk.
Kabuk,
Yeah, so Indonesian style we eat it like that way. You grill the meat, and then we put the peanut sauce on it. On
That's
the
what
top.
it is,
And then
peanut sauce? Okay.
Yes, and then there's like a sweet soy sauce, and
Yeah.
then this one is kind of like a salad, like
Yeah, that's what I was
with
thinking,
vinegar and
like-
stuff.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like a vinaigrette. Like,
Exactly. Yeah, so it's a bit like sour, and then it just mixed together. It's so delicious.
it mixes the flavors, right?
Exactly.
Like, I watch enough cooking shows. Like, I've seen enough like cooking. I wanted to once get into cooking, actually.
Yeah.
But this is like a whole new time.
It's
And
totally
what's
different.
the
Yes, and that one. Can you guess what it is?
No, I haven't even touched it. Though.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like
Yeah, this is actually rice.
rice, okay.
But it's like a
rice patties, like
Yes, but we cook it a bit different, and that's why it makes it really like glutinous. Well, like cake is like rice cake.
right.
I think it's easier to understand, right?
Yeah, I'll give you more of a like what I think it tastes like when I taste it.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
well, let's grab before it's getting cold.
Yeah, alright.
Selamat
I'm
makan.
ready.
Yay.
Thank you, thank you.
Enjoy. I don't know when the last time I made this by myself. I think it was a long time ago. All good, guys. It's all good, guys.
Okay, Ruffles. Swear, one goes off, they all go off.
Yeah, it's like.
I'm not really the dog whisperer, but I can't even shut up. But I have my mouth full and I can't even say anything right now.
Oh yeah.
Now he gets her leftovers from when she pulls off the branches.
She wants it. Oh my god, she dropped.
Bea. Now it's Ruffles' turn.
Ruffles, it's alright. Hey, stop it.
It's like 3 of it, right?
It's really good.
Whoa.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I'm happy. And you mix it with the peanut sauce. It's
That's
so
what I'm
good.
trying now. I'm trying that with
Yeah.
the salad. No, it turned out perfect.
It feels
So
like
it's
better.
chicken, right?
It's chicken, yeah.
I'm gonna try putting some of the sauce onto the little. Well, what are they called? Wasn't like they're not rice patties, but what are they called?
Well, in Indonesia we call it lontong.
Lontong?
Lontong, yeah. Why not holding it? Eat it like
I'm
that.
not holding it right. Yeah.
No, just eat
No, I
like
want to
that.
mix it with like the
Yeah.
and with some of the salad. Like it does really bring out all the flavors in one if you eat. Oh, I know. See, look, she's already done.
What? Do you think she ate the whole thing? No.
No. It's a little bit
Oh,
there.
it's still over there. Okay.
Oh.
But she's like, okay, I can save that for later.
You guys are better.
Ruffles is over there to chew it away. Guju's over there to chew it away. Bea's right here. He knows what she's missing.
There's more.
That's it. Yeah, there's nothing in it that like.
Aku for Ruffles once a week until now. So she has a good meal from us.
Yeah, now they're back to doing it.
Yeah. Okay, Upo. Really
Oh.
one more meat? What?
Oh, that's awesome.
How do you take this out?
Yeah.
Oh, just like this.
Just choose, yeah, just
Yeah.
choose yours. I might say, sometimes I'm so picky with my cook, but this time it's really good. Or maybe I'm just hungry.
I think it's both. I'm hungry and it's really good.
That's awesome.
No, the chicken is so juicy.
You want some more?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because you do it all day
Yeah.
on the job, right? Ooh, the chili is spicy.
What? The chili?
Yeah. Just do like this.
Just do like this. It's easier. This one a little bit. This is the smallest one. Wow, that's still chewing.
Oh, you're still chewing, okay.
Just hold them for 15 minutes and they'll be done with the video.
I don't see bad. Oh, that's good.
Someone said my name.
Is she? She's not eating hers, right? I don't know where she is. Yeah, hers.
It is right there.
Or she finish it?
I think so. Yeah, because she... Oh, no, wait. No, I think there's still a piece over. Right by the blue toy.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you.
That's like the most... Like the best fucking... Or, sorry. The best outdoor, like... meal I've had. Well, I have... and it's true.
Oh, sorry. This is not for eating.
You want a basil leaf?
It's a lime leaf.
Lime leaf, okay.
Yeah. Forgot to check it out. Dig in.
Yeah.
I usually know what to eat. Yeah, well, don't leave any of this out for sure because
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
a bear would be definitely... Bear's already going to be attracted to this smell already.
Like, from far away already. Like,
The best is that is hot dogs and hamburgers. And
Yeah.
I like eating I eat like midnight snacks all the time. So like I'll totally be eating it all night. I will like.
Getting hungry like midnight.
The meat was so like okay. The meat was so good. And then the salad with the meat, it just mixed the flavors so well.
Yeah.
But like I even did it with the rice pies a little bit, right? But like yeah, like that would be filling, and I like the meat better. So
Yeah. No. Yeah. Totally. It's fine. So what is your?
But you guys cleaned your place like twice over.
Oh yeah. So what do you like the most from the meal?
Definitely the chicken and the salad was my favorite.
Oh, okay.
Oh, but the sauce. I've never had sauce like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess the sauce, because like the sauce adds like all the flavor to the chicken, but the chicken was so tender though.
Yeah.
Like, usually the chicken on a barbecue
Dried
is like,
out, right?
dry
Yeah.
and like chewy.
Yeah.
That was like flavorful.
Yeah.
like,
The secret
juicy.
is I just tight there.
Right, you need the fat to burn off, right?
Exactly. So,
Because it makes all the flavor.
oh yeah. Cool.
Thank you so much. It was great.
Yay. Husband,
Hello.
it's been a while not eating Indonesian food.
Wow, yeah. I missed it so much, especially the satay. I think I haven't had it in a while.
Oh yeah.
I,
You just try it.
I
Look
was
at that.
digging in. Like I
Yeah.
was so hungry. I didn't have anything to eat the whole day. I think we didn't even have breakfast. We only had like
No.
some maybe granola bars.
Yeah.
So I was really hungry. I don't know how many skewers I had, but a lot. It was really good. I think overall for the satay, my all-time favorite is also the peanut sauce. That I love peanuts. I love that sauce. Like together with the sweet soya sauce, like the ketchup manis, it's really good.
I'm still tasting it.
Yeah, it was the perfect
Combination.
dinner, perfect combination, perfect dinner for camping.
Yay.
Yeah, this
So it's just because it's only 3 of us, so maybe each of us gonna give a comment. But I'm gonna say it in Indonesian, guys. So I'm happy. Aku udah berapa lama nggak masak sate, teman-teman, dan kali ini aku bisa bilang saus kacang aku tuh enak banget. Entah kenapa, mungkin karena perbandingannya kali ya, aku nggak pakai terlalu banyak kacang dan bumbu halusnya itu lumayan banyak juga gitu. Jadi bikin rasanya lebih gimana gitu, lebih nendang. Nah, makan di luar, outdoor, sambil nyate, oh my god, itu feelsnya kayak Indonesia banget. Tuh lihat teman-teman, view di belakang dengan sungai dan segala macam, itu luar biasa. Well, yeah, so yeah, we are happy, I'm happy. Brian is the first time for him to trying Indonesian food, and then he's happy with that.
I love it.
Yeah, and then like the lontong, teman-teman, nggak semua bule suka lontong, jadi mereka pasti ya kalau makan mereka coba ya, itu karena teksturnya kan beda banget, dan bule tuh nggak terlalu suka makan yang teksturnya kayak chewy yang kayak gitu, teman-teman. Nah, jadi aku juga udah seneng banget ya suka sengaja satenya dan juga saladnya. Acar. Okay, so yeah, this is for me. Oh no, the points. What do you give the points?
Oh, what's the point ranking?
1 to 10 or
1
what?
to 10.
Okay.
I'd say 9 for sure because like the spices were perfect.
Yeah.
Like it was the peanut butter sauce for sure. Like it's just a sweet and the mixture of this sweet and then the salad. Oh, Still eating. I like still taste it actually. That's why I cut it in pieces so I can take like a little bit and flavor it. Because then you get to taste every flavor.
Yeah, oh yeah. That's like about Indonesian food. You get all the flavor in one plate. So like all the saltiness, the spiciness, and and like
I like the
sour
peanuts.
stuff.
I get to taste the peanuts like afterwards. Still like.
Yeah.
That's my favorite part.
I think for me, I'm gonna give it 10 points.
Oh!
Because the food was great, like everything around, like this whole experience here is really good. And I've never had Indonesian food outdoors.
Yes,
So
that's true.
for the whole experience is like
self-made,
10
right?
points.
We did, yeah.
I agree.
Awesome! Yay! Thank you so much. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to your friends. Exactly. So see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Stay healthy.
That was awesome. I just said that I changed my vote from 9 to 10.
Yay!
Because that's exceptional even after hours of eating it around the fire.
Yeah.
So, hands down, best meal, best campfire meal ever.
Yay! Happy.
Happy.